Today's hair is by Nadula. I have worked with this company time and time again. I cannot count. Okay, Nadula has some really good hair. Okay, so yeah, today's hair is from them. Now this hair, look at it. First of all, look at it. It is a, I believe, a 5x5, if not a 6x6. I'm not 100% sure. Make sure you check the description box. Frontal closure, I should say. I think it's 6x5 because it's pretty wide. Okay, it's pretty wide and it has some good parting space. It's probably 6x5 or 5x5. I can't really remember. Make sure you check the description box. But this hair is so stunning. And the work that they did on bleaching the knots, these knots, there's absolutely no concealer. I felt like there was no need for me to do any concealer on this today to hide anything. She melted perfectly into my skin. Now it did come with some pre-styled baby hairs. That is not my style of baby hair, so of course I had to do my own thing, and I like what I did here. I feel like it's really, really pretty, super cute. The hair, the density I believe is 180. Really, really full. Okay, super full. She is a silky type of texture. She is super stunning. Like, when I tell you beautiful, she is beautiful. I love this so much. I did a side part. It also came with a middle part like that they did on their own, but you can kind of see it like right there, but I decided to do a side part, like, you know, do a little something, you see what I'm saying? I also cut some bangs to frame my face. I love this wig. This is one of those that is mine. I am not giving it away. I have a thing for 5x5, 6x6 closures lately. It's just super easy, less glue, super easy. You don't even have to glue it down if you don't want to. There's tension in the back, and there's also those rubber grip things in the back of the actual cap that I love. I just feel like it's so much more comfortable. There are combs, there's everything that you need for this unit. When I tell you 10 out of 10, I do recommend. This is this is glamorous, okay? This is giving glam, and we're getting ready for the coming holiday seasons. This is the unit that you want to have if you're trying to sit across from bae, okay, or try to get a bae. This is the unit you want to have in your life right about now, where if you're new and you're just getting into wigs, and even if you're a pro, like, and you just don't want to be doing a whole lot, this is the type of thing you want to use. I'm saying, like, throw it on and go, get the hell out of here. Now, as for the curls are super curly today. I did do some bendy rollers because I wanted the glamorous, curly, girly type of look. Anyways, I'm not going to ramble too much. Make sure you check out Nadula. Everything will be linked down below. And without further ado, let's get right on in to the video.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. We told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna go. No lie, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripped and wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually.
Yeah, so that is basically it for this tutorial on this hair. The hair is absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10. I do recommend this because they did the groundwork. Like I'm happy that they did the groundwork. Like it makes me feel like whenever I get those units, like it's making me feel like I need to go and start bleaching some of my units, okay? Because that is flawless. That right there, that is flawless. That is stunning. That is beautiful. That is perfection. And I took out some of my own sides to just, help a little bit. But that, I am loving this unit, okay? When I tell you I love this unit, I love this unit. And I like what I did with the baby hairs. Some of you don't like baby hairs, that is your problem. I love baby hairs. I feel like it fits me, it fits my face. Unless something is wrong with my eyes, but I don't think so. So yeah, listen, make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. 10 out of 10. I recommend this, okay? The bleach work, the bleach and the plucking on the knots and the customization on the front alone. Okay, when you do get this unit, it will come pre-baby hair. You saw what it came with. You can just customize it. It's just so perfect. It's so perfect, so effortless, so easy. It's just stunning, okay? Make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box.
Nadula.